Hi all, and welcome to this breakout session on the BricsCAD Usage Data Program. My name is Ann van Haken, and I lead the user experience team at Bricsys.
And I am Sundar Singaravil, a principal developer at Bricsys. It's great to be here today, and I hope that we can explain you what the usage data program is all about, and you get excited about it as excited we are.
So what is the program about? It's all about you getting the opportunity to play a part in the future of BricsCAD by sharing your usage data with us. What does this mean really? It's about what it says, your usage data. In other words, how you're using BricsCAD in your day-to-day work. Of course, we already have means to get a qualitative understanding of your needs, for example, via support requests, customer meetings, face-to-face talks at events. But with our data program, we try to remove all barriers and let you communicate to us directly in the most natural way by doing your job and simply using BricsCAD. We have engineered the data sharing mechanism with your privacy at heart in such a way that this happens seamlessly without performance impact, safely encoded over HTTPS, and automatically. With this channel of communication, we give you, the user, a say in the BricsCAD product development process, which has a direct impact on our priorities for future releases. For example, we noticed in our community of BricsCAD users sharing their data for V22, many of you were trying to access the non-existing connect command present in some other CAD applications. So this inspired us to implement it in the new to V23 BricsCAD, so the new connect command. Sharing your usage data allows our machine learning experts to engineer AI models tailored specifically to you. Where the BricsCAD is typically a one-size-fits-all, by joining the BricsCAD Usage Data Program, you basically sign up for a personalized version of BricsCAD, leading to better accuracy and an improved customized experience. The first feature available to users that took part in the program was our AAssist command line feature, extending our autocomplete function by providing 3 command suggestions based on your previous BricsCAD usage. The Bricsys team is also working to provide more and more personalization in BricsCAD. For example, we are improving the accuracy of the autoconstrain and the bimify commands based on the manual edits you make after running these commands. Finally, we're proud to announce the first version of our AAssist ribbon tab, new to BricsCAD V23. We're extremely confident that this intelligent ribbon tab will boost your productivity by presenting relevant tools to you when you need them. This tool is unique because it is not only tailored to your usage, it also introduces tools that you might not have used before, but are frequently used by similar BricsCAD users in the community. Stay on to learn more. If you're already excited about our data program, you might wonder how you can join it and become part of this community. Well, that's very easy. When you open BricsCAD for the second time after installation, this dialog will pop up automatically. It lists all the benefits and links to the help page and the privacy statement for more information. At this point, you can choose to join the program or not, or you can sleep on it and decide later.
So thank you, Anne, for a nice introduction. Now that you guys know what the program is all about, let's talk more about what type of data you are going to share with us. Well, the data which you share with us depends on what you want to share with us. Bricsys gives full control to you as an end user. We collect 3 types of data. The first category of data is called profile data, which basically consists of the type of operating system you use, the BricsCAD version you have, the language of the installation, and so forth. The next type of data is the application data, which gives us more insights on the types of commands you use on a day-to-day basis, on top of which we would like to know the file sizes and so forth, so that we can know what type of design you as a user does on a day-to-day basis. This information will allow us to optimize features like the quad suggestions, autocomplete suggestions, and so forth. And the next type of data, which is the final data set, is the DWGs themselves, which is basically anonymized drawings, which are specifically going to be used for machine learning features like bimify and autoconstraints. It has to be noted that the drawings which you share is only going to be used to develop a machine learning model, and all the models are going to be anonymized, which means that we remove all the text which are contained within your drawing. So you can be sure that your privacy is protected.
Thanks, Sundar. So you might wonder, how do you share your data with us? Again, it's fully up to you. The original way of connecting with the Bricsys servers have stayed unchanged with regards to our previous data program. You simply log in with your Bricsys account. Don't have an account yet? No worries. With a simple link, you can quickly create a Bricsys account in 1, 2, 3. By choosing this option, you share your usage data with us in a pseudonymous way, meaning that the data itself is fully anonymous, but the link between the data and your account isn't. The usage data is stored using an artificial identifier, which is basically a number. Your email address linked to your BricsCAD account is then linked to this ID, but stored separately on a secured server with restricted access. We do encourage you to choose this option if you want to access and view your data via support request. And you can even ask to remove your anonymized geometry and unlink your profile and usage data. New to V23, you can opt in as a guest, which means you do not have to be logged into BricsCAD in order to join our data program, making your data fully anonymous. Not only is the data anonymized, there's also no link whatsoever between your data and any personal information like an account. This option is the go-to option if you don't feel like logging into BricsCAD. The only downside is there's no way for us to identify you, so it's not possible to get access to your data using a support request. Sandler?
Thank you, Anne. So before we let you go, we would like to show a new feature which is called AAssist, which is based on the data which you shared with us. And we hope you like the suggestions which the AAssist gives to you. In this demo, I will give a quick introduction to the Bricsys Usage Data Program and the new AAssist feature. If you want to join the Bricsys Usage Data Program, all you have to do is go to the AAssist tab, which is available in all workspaces, and then click on the sign up button. Once you click on the sign up button, a custom form is displayed where we show you the types of data which you can share with Bricsys. If you click in the manage text over here, you have more control on the types of data you want to share. And once you're happy with the choices of data points you want to share with Bricsys, then you can click sign me up. Normally, after you have used the Bricsys application for a while, then 3 different types of suggestions will appear within the AAssist ribbon tab. These suggestions are other command suggestions, personal suggestions, and the next commands suggestions. Other command suggestions are commands which are used by similar users within the community and could be potentially interesting for you. And we believe that these suggestions are a way for you as a user to explore Bricsys application even further. The personal suggestions panel shows the most relevant commands for you as a user. And the next command panel is a more dynamic panel where the suggestions are updated as you use the application. For example, if I want to execute a rectangle command, then the most likely command which I will be using next after I used a rectangle command is an offset command. And you can see that the suggestions are quite dynamic, and we hope the quick and dynamic panel allows you to utilize the application in a much more effective fashion. And this summarizes both the usage data program and how the AAssist ribbon tab quickly works. And we hope you like the feature and are excited for you to have a try on this feature as well. Thank you.